Hi there, it's time to do a Wyckoff check on VET, VChain. If you're new to my sessions, these are the key items that I'll cover during the session. Let's start with the weekly chart of VET. So VET has been going through the paper hands, diamond hands tests for quite a while, and it has gone to a level the same as what it did during the tariff announcement back in October 2025. Currently is range bound between the level of 0.0094 all the way to 0.0129. So this is the current situation. The big picture hasn't changed. While the tests still go on, the expectation or the hope is that for the price to come up to challenge the yellow key level of 0.035. Reason being that's a level that was set or tested when this automatic rally happened. This rally was where the bulls set the trading range top. So immediately after that, during July last year, the bulls tried to challenge similar level again, but then the demand was too weak, and eventually the price continues to drop and got even worse after the tariff announcement. All right, so that's the big picture, and that's the aim of VET going to challenge the yellow key level. The daily. So previously we shared that for VET to confirm the downtrend is finally over, there are multiple opportunities. Of course, last year has way passed, and what we are looking for is somewhere near 23rd of January. So when we get closer and closer to that date, the more positive scenario is that the bulls finally find some strength and get to that triangle and move outside of the channel. However, looking at what happened over the past 5 days, all right, or even 8 days if you like to. So starting from here, you see long wicks from the top for those two candlesticks from above the 0.013 level roughly. All right, that means the bears are waiting around this yellow dashed line. It proves that the bears are definitely still waiting there for these 3 days. Just on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, a couple of days back, you see these long wicks from the top, pushing the price back down to near the second yellow dash line around 0.0114. So if the bulls, doesn't gather sufficient strength to fight these strong bears from this level, we have to wait till around mid-February when the second opportunity comes, if they miss the first one. However, if you say, looking at what the bears did yesterday and today, you're pushing the price even below the 0.0114 and potentially, edging towards the yellow dash line of 0.0096 further down. It may have to get to closer to beginning of March to confirm that the downtrend is officially over. All right. Currently, the price is still trading on the stronger half of the channel. You see these channel edges, right? It has been trading at the weaker half since mid-November. So it's still slightly or not so pessimistic while the price continues to stay above the center line. The bulls are fighting very hard. Yesterday and today, even though there are obviously a bit of selling, you've seen these wicks, but the volume is actually pretty low. So let's give the bulls some time to gather strength and challenge these wedges or triangles one more time this month, and then eventually for the next 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, if you're interested to get access to these sessions 2 days earlier than the others, feel free to join the channel membership. Thank you for joining me.